Hello everyone. My name is Amy and this is my house. Let's explore the different parts of a house together. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the bathroom. It's where we take baths, brush our teeth, and wash our hands. Here's the kitchen. It's where we cook delicious food. We have a stove, a fridge, and a sink. Now, we're in the living room. We relax on the sofa, watch TV, and play games with our family. This is the dining room. We eat our meals here together. It's a warm place for family dinners. Next, we have the bedroom. It's where we sleep and write our homework. We have a comfy bed and some toys.
Amy, take off your shoes!
Oh, I'm sorry. Outside, we have the yard. We can play, run around, and enjoy the sunshine. This is the garage. We park our car here and keep our tools and bikes safe. Lastly, we have the balcony. It's a nice place to relax and enjoy the view outside. That was fun, wasn't it? Now you know about the different parts of a house. Well done everyone. See you in the next video. What's your favorite part of the house? Is it the cozy bedroom, the fun-filled kitchen, or maybe the relaxing balcony? Share with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.